myself Ravi Mishra, PGT Biology, introduce the ninth class chapter Improvement in Food Resources. This is the very important chapter for ninth class students. Now we discuss only three topics in this video. Now the first topic is food and food resources, second is revolution, and third types of crop. Now the first topic is food. The food is very important for human being, animal as well as plants. Without food, plant, animal, human being do not show growth. So food is required for plant, animal and human beings because the food provide energy and growth to the human body. Now the second topic, food resources. So the food resources are those resources by which we gain food. That is called the food resources. Now the food resources supply carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. Carbohydrate, protein and fats are the energy source because the carbohydrate, protein and fats provide energy to the human body. And last, vitamin and minerals are the strength resources because the vitamin and minerals provide the strength to the human body. Now, the second topic is revolution. Revolution means era, time duration. Means the revolutions are mainly 5 types. Now the first revolution is green revolution and second revolution is blue revolution and third revolution is yellow revolution, fourth revolution white revolution and fifth revolution is golden revolution. Now we explain the green revolutions. The green revolution started by MS Swaminathan in 1970. It helps to increase the grain output of the country. It means that the green revolution shows the higher production of the grains. And second is blue revolution. Blue revolution helps to increase the fish production. It means that the blue revolution shows higher production of the milk. And third revolution is yellow revolution. Yellow revolution helps to increase oil production. It means that in this revolution the production of oil is high. Now next, white revolution. The white revolution helps to increase milk production. It means that in white revolution the production of milk is high. The color of the milk is white, so this revolution is called white revolution. Next, last revolution is golden revolution. The golden revolution helps to increase pulses production. It means that in this revolution the higher production of pulses takes place. So that revolution is called golden revolution. Now the third topic is types of crops. We know that the 3 types of crops are present. Now the first name of the crops is cereal crops, second name fodder crops and third is commercial crops. The another name of cereal crops is grain crops because by the help of cereal crops we produce grains. Now the example of cereal crops is wheat, rice, maize, pulses, oilseed. In the oilseeds included groundnut oil seeds, sunflower seeds, mustard seeds and soybean seeds. Now the second types of crop is fodder crops. The fodder crops produce green fodder for the cattle. So the other name of fodder crop is green fodder crops. The example of green fodder crops is oats, barsim and sorghum. Now the next third type of crops is commercial crops that grown for economic purpose. The example of economic commercial crops is jute, tobacco, and sugarcane. Now, in next videos, we discuss seasonable crops, means Rabi crops, Zaid crop, Kharif crop, and their differences and how we improve the crop variety. So, thanks a lot.